Launching a WordPress website can be exciting, but without the right hosting, that excitement fades fast. In this video, we'll reveal the fastest and most reliable WordPress hosting providers of 2025, ranked by real tests, so you don't waste your time or traffic. PageSpeed isn't just a tech detail, it affects SEO rankings, bounce rate, and even your revenue. A 1-second delay in load time can drop conversions by up to 20%. That's why fast hosting is more critical than ever in 2025. Speed is measured using core web vitals like largest contentful paint and first input delay. We ran 6 months of real-world tests using GTMetrix and Pingdom on identical WordPress setups to see which hosts truly deliver. Here's what our speed test revealed. Kinsta came out on top with an average load time of just 441 milliseconds. SiteGround, Hostinger, DreamHost, and Bluehost followed closely. Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress host powered by Google Cloud. It's perfect for high-traffic websites and WooCommerce stores. With edge caching, built-in APM, and developer tools, it's made for serious site owners. Pros: lightning fast, secure, scalable. Cons: no phone support, no email hosting. Price: starts at $35 per month. SiteGround blends performance with ease. It includes free CDN, AI security, and daily backups. The support team? One of the best in the business, ready 24/7 via chat, phone, or tickets. Pros: reliable, beginner-friendly, scalable. Cons: slightly higher renewal rates. Price: starts at $14.99 per month. Looking for affordable speed? Hostinger gives you blazing performance on a tight budget thanks to Lightspeed caching, SSD storage, and free SSL, all starting at just $2.99 per month. Pros: cheapest with strong performance. Cons: limited support options on low tiers. Price: $2.99 to $7.99 per month. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org and offers a super simple setup. It's great for first-time bloggers, solopreneurs, and small websites looking for an all-in-one solution. Pros: free domain, one-click WordPress, solid support. Cons: slower than Kinsta and Hostinger. Price: $2.95 per month for the first year. DreamHost is perfect for tech-savvy users and freelancers. With SSH access, WP-CLI, Git, and unlimited bandwidth, it's built for control and transparency. Pros: transparent pricing, developer features. Cons: slower than competitors. Price: $2.95 per month shared, $16.95 for managed. Not every host is for everyone. Choose Kinsta for speed and scalability. Go with Hostinger if you're on a budget. SiteGround for support and reliability. Bluehost if you're a beginner. And DreamHost if you're a developer needing more flexibility. Still unsure? HostZonic takes the guesswork out. We independently test and review hosting providers, comparing speed, uptime, features, and pricing, so you don't have to. For more tips and SEO-friendly hosting solutions, visit our website at www.hostzonic.com.